Welcome to our channel. We're diving into Python today, and we're talking all about making decisions with your code using conditionals. Let's break it down, step by step. What's up with conditionals? First off, conditionals in Python, these are your basic if, else, and elif statements. They help your program make choices, like choosing different paths based on what's going on with your data or user inputs. Example, let's say you want to give shoutouts differently based on the user's age. Check this. Alright, let's unpack this piece of Python code. Set the age. First, we set the variable age to 25. Think of it as setting the stage or picking a player for a game. First, check if. Next, our code checks if the age is less than 18. Since our age is 25, this condition isn't true, so it skips what's inside. Second, check elif. Then, it checks if the age is under 30. Bingo! This one's true because 25 is less than 30. So it prints out, "How are you, young man?" because our condition matched. Default case else. If none of the above were true, it would hit the else case and print, "Welcome, dear friend." But here, we already found our match, so this part gets ignored. Put it in action now. Let's tweak that and use it in a small program. Imagine we're asking the user for their age and then responding with a custom message. Here, we're taking an input, converting it to an integer, and then running through our conditionals. Get user input. First up, the program asks you to type in your age. You input something and it converts that into an integer. That's what int is for, and then stores it in age. Run the checks. Just like in the first example, it runs through the checks. If you're under 18, it'll tell you, "You are very young." Between 18 and 29, you'll hear, "How are you, young man?" And if you're 30 or older, "Welcome, dear friend," pops up. React accordingly. Depending on your age, the program reacts with a personalized message. It's like having a chat where the program changes its responses based on how old you say you are. Going deeper. Remember, if is your starting point. Elif, which stands for else if, comes next if you got more checks. Else is your fallback when none of the earlier conditions are true. Use these to guide your program through decisions, making it interesting.